Don't you dare. All right. Me and Bob Wood just messing around a little bit. So, huge day. Windows. Renewal by Andersen is on their way, and we are transforming the outside of this house in 3, maybe 4 days. Really excited. Doors are 2 weeks from now. Focused on windows only. It is going to absolutely, completely transform the way this house looks. Windows are going in. Windows are going in. Absolutely freaking love it. Oh, I can't wait to see new windows in here.
Makes a big difference.
Made a big difference in the last project, and it's going to make a massive difference here. Progress, progress. Freaking thrilled. I love the way these guys roll in. You know that they're prepared for the project. They come 2 box trucks, another 2 vans. They're full of materials, full of guys, full of tools. Adam, who's running the job, he has a plan set, confirms it with me, make sure that I know what's going on. They unload all the windows, they stage them around the property. They're pulling the old windows out, and remember, Renewal by Andersen takes the old windows with them. So I've got no additional dumpster costs. I don't have glass piled in the yard that I've got to get rid of. These guys are going to get rid of everything for me. They've got booties on in the house. These guys keep everything super clean. They're always going to leave me weather tight. So they only take out the windows that they're putting in the same day. They're not going to leave a hole in my house, so your home is never open to the elements. You're never going to have any damage. So thrilled to have these guys back on site. It's absolutely amazing what new windows will do for your facade. So it's a well-oiled machine. It works really, really well. And it's something that is just off my plate. I can enjoy watching these go in, taking some video of these guys while it's happening, and just put a big old smile on my face. All right, so day 2 of the Renewal by Andersen install. Working on the barn today, but the thing I want to show you, this barn is completely done. This is how these guys treat your home when it's finished. Bed, fully covered in plastic. Floors, drop cloth down. Kitchenette, covered in plastic. So absolutely everything is covered. They treat it like it's their own home, and they leave it cleaner than when they found it, and I can absolutely attest to that. Super, super impressive. Thank you guys for caring as much as you do. So, just take a second here. So here's the old. We've got all sorts of rot, crap. All the seals are broken. These are cloudy because they still have the plastic film on them inside now to keep them clean until they're done with the install. But FiberX frames are absolutely gorgeous. These things will not ever need to be painted. There's next to no maintenance on them. They're not going to warp, they're not going to expand, they're not going to crack. Here's one of the big issues with window installations and manufacturers, and I think I've said this before. When the manufacturer and the installer are 2 different people, and something goes wrong, a lot of times what you'll see happen is the installer points at the manufacturer and the manufacturer points at the installer, and the homeowner is left with a problem that takes forever to get solved. When you're talking with Renewal by Andersen, these guys are the manufacturer of the window and they're the installer of the window. Not to mention, they just stand behind their product. So if you ever have a problem, it's one phone call, they come out, they address it, they take care of it, and you are taken care of, your home is safe, and you've got a new window installed. I say if so strongly because it's rare that you're gonna have a problem with something like this. They've got their manufacturing process down to a well-oiled machine. Their installers are unbelievable. I mean, all these guys here are master certified installers. Just a little bit of the thought process behind why I go with Renewal by Andersen that goes beyond the looks. All right, so Renewal by Andersen crew is back on site. 3-season room. Oh, no windows whatsoever. Completely opened up. They're just finishing taking out the last bit of crap and old windows, and then all the new stuff starts going back in. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I've been waiting for this day since the beginning of this project. Today is the day this massive 16-foot double sliding glass door from Renewal by Andersen gets installed. So once this door goes in, not only is it gonna look gorgeous, not only is it gonna be this awesome connection to this outdoor patio, it's also going to completely seal the house. So the heat will stay inside, the air conditioning will stay inside, and I won't be leaking energy out to the outside world.